Gyalo Thondup, the eldest brother of his host Dalai Lama, was a pivotal figure in modern Tibetan history, and Tibetans around the world recently marked the 49th day since his passing. From a young age, Gyalo Thondup dedicated his life to the Tibetan cause. In the 1950s, he played a crucial role in building international awareness of China's invasion of Tibet. Fluent in multiple languages, he facilitated support from around the world for Tibet's resistance fighters, ensuring the Tibetan freedom struggle would continue even in the face of immense adversity. He was also instrumental in establishing the Tibetan government in exile, ensuring Tibetans had a political voice and a structure to preserve the legitimate continuation of the government of Tibet. Gyalo Thondup was also a primary figure in many rounds of negotiation between Chinese government leaders like Deng Xiaoping and His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Even in his later years, Gyalo Thondup remained committed to peaceful dialogue and advocating for the Tibetan people, believing that Tibet's future will be built on resilience and unity. SFT honors Gyalo Thondup's unwavering dedication and lifelong support to the Tibetan cause. May his legacy of fighting for Tibet continue to inspire generations.